Hello everyone, welcome to another video. Let's take a look at Capacities versus Notion. So which one is better and why? Now these are both note-taking and organization apps. So these apps are both great. However, you will see which one is better for you by the end of this video. So as you can see right here, here is first Notion. Let's cover Notion. Notion is based on tables and folders. Capacities is organized in a network. So basically, what does that mean to you, and why that should matter to you? So as you can see, let's say you want to store information about a person. In Notion, you need to create a database for that and define its properties. To create a person, you now always have to go to that database and create a person there. That's what you can do in Notion. In Capacities, once you have defined how a person looks in your space, you can create it from everywhere. Basically, in your meeting note you're currently working on, or in your calendar, as you can see, an object does not live in one place. So it's much more flexible. As you can see, for example, right here, you have a person, you have an image, you have everything. You can pretty much add those right here. So you're basically essentially creating a network of objects that surfaces everything relevant to you in the current context. It's not a workspace with hundreds of pages and tables, all constrained to a tree-like hierarchy. So if you like organized things and in a more organized way, I think Notion is better for you. However, Capacities has this different approach when it comes to that. So as you can see, humans don't think in folders. So there's the way we wrote computer programs in past made us believe that it's time to change that. So network note-taking frees us from those constraints, as you can see. So we like to have like notes, notes in like, I would say like stacks. So as you can see here, we have notes in stacks. That's basically what the, whole, capability of Capacities is all about. So then you have Notion is a workspace for teams, right? So Capacities is a place for individuals to think and work, and Notion is a workspace for teams. So if you have a team, if you have a business, if you want to manage your team, if you want to organize your team, if you want to organize your folders, Notion is for you. However, if you want to think for yourself, if you want to take notes for yourself, if you have a smaller team, or maybe you don't have a team, that is what Capacities is for. So Capacities has a complete focus on personal flows to capture, organize, and utilize ideas and knowledge. It's more so as a mind map, right? So based on this, you already know what application or program is for you. Again, Notion is for workspace, is a basically workspace for teams to organize the work, to organize the teams, to organize the workflows for each and every individual, because it has a database. On the other hand, Capacities is a place for individuals to work and think. So if you're a CEO, if you want to put your mind on the paper and have a brain dump, this is what Capacities is for you. This is why Capacities is such a great tool. So those are two comparisons. Again, if you're a CEO, if you want to think for yourself, Capacities is for that. However, if you're someone that is managing a team and everything like that, Notion is for you. And if you're managing your day-to-day work life, Notion is for you. So again, organization, Notion, planning is more so for the for Capacities IO. So if you want to plan, Capacities IO is for you.